What is up, everybody? I have a very exciting unboxing today, so let's just get right into it. Alright, so in here we don't just have one, but we have two SOB tactical P-tools. So these are pretty much self-defense blades that are not made of metal like this knife right here, but these are actually made out of G10 plastic. So let's go ahead and just rip one of these bags open. Let's check it out. So it comes, this is all plastic, okay? There is not one thing of metal on here, so carrying this, you can bring this anywhere you want with you on your person at all times. So let's just go ahead and see if we can take this out of its holster. It's a little bit stiff. Wow. So here it is, the SOB Tactics P-Tool. Wow, check that out. So this one, yes, you'll probably notice, why did you get pink P-tools? Well, as you can see on the website, this item is very high in demand, and they have a variety of colors, black, coyote, and all of that. But unfortunately, by the time I got there, I only realized that pink was the only one available. So at that point, I didn't really care. I just said, I don't even care what color it is. I'm just gonna buy it. So I went for it. I got two of them in pink. So here it is. I'll show you guys a picture of it with a dollar bill so you can see the size. And here is its holster. This is just made out of Kydex sheath. It's a Kydex sheath. Yeah, and the blade just goes in like that. It's a little bit stiff, obviously, because it's new, but just working it in and out of the holster, it'll be good to go in no time. So yeah, very, very nice, very sharp. I could imagine, if you want to sharpen it with some sandpaper, you should do that if you want it to be a little more sharp. But just out of the box, I mean, this feels great in the hand. It's flat on one side, and then the other, it has, the design. So yeah, it feels great in the hand. Ergonomics are great. Just hold it in between your hands. You just punch to defend yourself. But yeah, pretty much it's the same thing in this one, so I'm not going to open this one. But yeah, guys, this is the initial unboxing and first impressions of the P-tool. Super excited to carry this. And basically the main reason why I bought this is because you see a lot of places, especially in bigger cities, they'll have metal detectors nowadays with those stupid little Evolve machines, and you can't carry something like this, like a regular knife or even a handgun or something like that, because the machines will instantly flag you. But bring yourself one of these plastic tools to defend yourself with. I'm not telling you what you should or shouldn't do, but I'm just saying that it is plastic. So yeah, this is just awesome. It feels great. The tip is very sharp, obviously. And yeah, guys, this is the SOB Tactics P-tool. And if you're looking for a plastic alternative tool for self-defense, this is the one. Yeah. So yeah, that was just a quick unboxing and first impressions of the P-tool. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, I will see you guys next time. Stay safe out there, fellow citizens. See ya.